Hi there, students. Ruin. To ruin as a verb or a ruin as a noun. Let's see some adjectives. Ruined or ruinous as well. And ruinously as an adverb. Okay, so to ruin, you probably already know this verb. It means to spoil or destroy something completely. Yeah, so this used to be a beautiful fishing village, but they've built lots of hotels, and the beautiful area has been totally ruined. I twisted my ankle and ruined my chances of winning the race. So to ruin, to spoil, yeah. Notice as well, let's see, we've got various other meanings of to ruin. You could ruin somebody financially, you bankrupt them. Yeah, the economy is ruined, it's in ruins. Yeah, the change in the market ruined the company, caused severe financial loss or bankruptcy. I'm sure COVID has ruined many companies. To destroy something, to make it no longer usable. So I ruined my beautiful new t-shirt by getting paint on it and I couldn't get it off. To ruin, to make something less enjoyable. Yeah, so he told me what happened at the end of the film, and it really ruined the film for me. Being robbed while we were on vacation ruined our holiday. Okay, so to ruin. And then a ruin. Okay, something that is completely destroyed or decayed. In the state of being a ruin. You can see ancient ruins, buildings that have fallen down, but you can still see the last bit of them. Bankruptcy. So gambling has been my ruin. I'm always gambling, and that's why I've never got any money. Yeah, it's ruined me. Gambling is ruinous. This restaurant is ruinously expensive. Okay, so he went bankrupt. He was ruined by speculation. To frustrate a plan or a failure. So being rude to the boss will ruin your chances of promotion. Yeah. Okay, so to ruin. Yeah, the castle fell into ruin. It was a ruin. My plans were ruined. The rain ruined our picnic. There were the ruins of an old building beside the river. Yeah. A bad diet could ruin your health. Yeah, he ruined the movie by talking the whole way through it. Don't give away the ending of this book or you'll ruin it. He was ruined by making bad loans. So there was an explosion which ruined various tower blocks. Yeah, that the house fell into ruin. Yeah, it was completely ruined. So to destroy, to spoil, let's try some more synonyms. Yeah, to demolish, to destroy, yeah, to wreak havoc. Yeah, so to wreck is a good synonym as well. Okay, so ruin, it has lots of different meanings. They're all similar, but they're slightly each of them is slightly different. Okay, so to ruin, a ruin. How formal is this? This is a 5 formality. You can use it anywhere, formally and informally. And let's see, the origin, well, it comes from Latin through Old French. In Latin we have the word ruina, mean to overthrow, to ruin. From ruo, to fall down, to fall to pieces, to tumble down. Okay, so to ruin, to spoil, to make bad, to destroy, to bankrupt, to spoil something, to spoil plans, to make something less enjoyable, to frustrate somebody's progress in something. Okay, so ruin is it's a good word for you to use. I think this is one of these words that students know, but they don't actually activate it, they don't use it. So anyway, enough ruin. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ruin.